This video I will explain why companies use Google Cloud. Many companies today run their websites, mobile apps and business systems on Google Cloud. To understand why, first we have to understand what it is and what problems it solves. What is Google Cloud? Google Cloud is a platform that provides computers, storage, databases and software tools through the internet. Instead of buying and managing their own computers, companies can use Google's powerful computers, which are located in large data centers around the world. And this approach is called cloud computing. Now we will see what is cloud computing. Cloud computing means using computing services over the internet instead of owning physical machines. These services include servers, powerful computers that run applications, storage, space to store files and data, databases, systems that store and manage information, networking, systems that allow computers to communicate. Companies can use these services whenever they need them. First point, companies do not need to buy hardware. In the past, companies had to buy expensive machines called servers. They also need to install them in data centers, maintain them, replace them when they became old. With Google Cloud, companies do not need to buy hardware. They simply rent computing power online. This saves both time and money. Second point is easy scalability. Scalability means the ability of the system to handle more users or more data without slowing down. For example, a website may normally have 1000 users. During a sale, it may have 1 million users. Google Cloud can automatically increase computing power when traffic increases. When traffic becomes normal again, resources can be reduced. Third point is pay only for what you use. Another important benefit is the pay as you go model. This means companies pay only for the resources they actually use. For example, if a server runs for 10 hours, the company pays only for those 10 hours. If your storage is used for 100 GB, they pay only for that particular amount. This helps companies control cost. Fourth point is faster application development. Google Cloud provides many ready-to-use tools. Using that, developers can build applications faster. Developers can quickly create websites, mobile app backends, data processing systems, artificial intelligence applications. This allows companies to launch new products quickly. Fifth one is global availability. Google Cloud has data centers in many countries. A data center is a facility filled with powerful computers that store and process information. Because these centers located around the world, companies can deliver services faster to users in different regions. Sixth point is strong security. Security is very important for companies that store sensitive data. Google Cloud provides data encryption, access control, and monitoring systems. These features help to protect data from unauthorized access. Seventh point is reliability and high availability. Companies want their applications to run all the time without interruptions. Google Cloud systems are designed to provide high availability. High availability means systems are designed to continue working even if some components fail. For example, if one server fails, another server automatically takes over. Eighth point, support for advanced technologies. Many companies use Google Cloud for modern technologies like artificial intelligence, enabling machines to simulate human thinking and decision making. Machine learning, systems that learn and improve from data automatically. Big data analysis, processing and understanding massive amounts of information. These technologies help businesses to understand large amounts of data and improve their services. Now we will see the real life example. Imagine an online shopping company. During a festival sale, millions of customers visit the website at the same time. If the company uses Google Cloud, the system automatically increases computing power. The website remains fast. The customers can continue shopping without any problems. Now we will see the summary. Companies use Google Cloud because it allows them to avoid buying expensive hardware, scale their systems when traffic increases, pay only for what they use, build applications faster, serve users around the world, maintain strong security and reliability.